Hello, everyone. Uh, this is the first topic of algebra section. So the chapter is algebra, and the first topic which we will study in this lesson, that is the basics of algebra. So first of all, many students are facing issues while multiplying two numbers with different signs. So let's study these signs. First of all, you can see positive makes positive. Positive negative makes negative, negative positive makes negative, and negative makes positive. Now there is a simple method to memorize these rules. When you see the signs, similar signs, you will get a positive answer, because plus and plus both are similar, so you will get a plus sign. Here you can see again, a negative and negative both are same, both are similar. So therefore we will get a positive answer. But when the signs are different, in this case, this is +4 and minus, plus and minus. So therefore you will get a negative sign. And in this case, a negative sign and then positive sign, again, both are different. So you will get a negative sign. Now we will solve few examples, and from there it will become clear to you that how it works. So first of all, let's take -3 times +3. So first of all, in order to solve these type of numbers, first you will multiply this 2 with that 3. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6. Now, when you are done with multiplication, now you have to take, now you have to write an appropriate sign over here. So you can see this is negative and this is plus. Negative is with 2, plus is with 3. So I told you before that when the signs are different, this is negative here, this is positive here, both are different. So when the signs are different, you will get a negative answer. So negative, then you will write. In this case, 4p times 2 is 8p. First, you will write 8p, and after that, you will check the signs. So negative times negative is positive, because I have mentioned before that when the signs are similar, you can see the signs are similar, you will get a positive answer. Plus, you will write plus here. In this case, you will multiply this 5 with this 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. And now you will check the sign. So plus and minus, okay, both are different. So when the signs are different, you will write a negative sign over here. In this case, 5 times 5, that is 25. Now you will check the signs. So this is positive and that is positive. Both are similar. So therefore the answer will also be positive. So this is a simple rule. When the signs are similar, the answer would be a positive answer. Again, when the answer, when these, you can see negative and negative, both are similar, so the answer would be positive. When they are opposite or different, negative and plus, you will get a negative answer. And similar for this one as well. So this is how you will multiply two numbers. Remember, there is a multiplication sign between these two numbers. Okay, so it means this is how you multiply two numbers. Multiplication, this is for multiplication. Okay, these rules are for multiplication. So you can see over here, I have written multiplication of two numbers with the different signs. So this is multiplication. Now let's study addition, how to solve two numbers, how to add or subtract two numbers. So addition of two numbers with different signs. For example, -5 plus 2. Now in this case, you will see negative times plus. Negative times plus is negative. We know that, right? We have studied that previously. Negative minus times plus is minus. Now we got this minus. So what does it mean? It means that we will subtract these two numbers from each other. Obviously, we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number because we got minus. So 5 minus 2, 3. You will write 3 first. And then you will write the sign of the bigger number. So you can see it is signed with 5. So 5 is a bigger number. So you will write -3. Now, in question number 2, this is -10 and plus 3. So first of all, you will see the signs. So negative times positive is equal to negative. So what does it mean? It means we will subtract these numbers from each other. So 3 is obviously a smaller number, 10 is a bigger number. So we will subtract 3 from 10. Okay, so we got 7. Now we have to write a sign as well, an appropriate sign. And we will write that the sign of the bigger number. So here you can see 10 is a bigger number. So we will write the sign of that. So minus 7. Now in this case, negative times negative is equal to positive. Okay, I have taken this negative and that negative. So you can see over here, negative times negative is positive. So what does this positive mean actually? This positive means that it means you will add these two numbers. Add these two numbers. So 5 times 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. We got 8. And we will write the sign of the bigger number. So bigger number is 5. So we will write negative sign over here. You can see. So this is negative 8. Now plus 4 minus 8. So plus and minus is minus. We have studied that here previously. We have studied that. So plus and minus is minus. So it means we will subtract these number, a smaller number from the bigger number. So 8 minus 4. So 8 minus 4, we got 4. And we will write the sign of the bigger number. So bigger number is 8. So therefore we will write this negative sign over here. So this is how you can multiply addition. You can multiply two numbers. You can add or subtract two numbers using these rules. Now let's solve a very basic equation. This is again a basic rule for algebra. So when you learn this, like many question and many of your confusion will become clear, and you will be you will be able to solve algebraic questions. So this is a question given. It says simplify this question. So this is 2x minus 4 plus 5x plus 6. So now what would be the method? Which method should we follow? So the method is that number mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are numbers, okay? Numbers will be added with numbers, with another number, okay? With another number will be added with another number. So if you see here, minus 4 is a number, right? There is no x with it. There is no x square with it. So this is simply one number. Plus 6 is also a number. So we will combine them. And if you see here the next part, that is x to be added with another x. And you can see 2x is a x term. 5x is another x term. So we will combine them together. Okay. Now, so this is plus 2x and plus 5x. So plus 2x plus 5x is 7x. You will got 7x here. Now, negative 4 plus negative 6. Now, we will apply, if you see this is like an addition, negative 4 plus 6, addition, right? There is no multiplication in between. This is plus is written over there. So it means this is addition. Okay, so as I have explained you the method over here, method in this section. So I will remove this negative sign. So negative times positive is negative. So it means we have to subtract these two numbers, obviously the smaller number from the bigger number. So 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. And we will write the sign of the bigger number. So bigger number is 6. So you will therefore write plus 2. So I have written plus 2 over here. And 2x plus 5x is plus 7x. So this is the answer to this one simple question. And this is like one part of the algebra. And now we will be making another few parts for algebra basics. And then we will move on to advanced algebra. Thank you.